Hello, my name is Jana Lowenstein and I am a Social Security Disability attorney. Today I'm going to tell you 8 common mistakes to avoid at your hearing. 1. Don't argue your case. Your job is to testify to facts, describe your symptoms, give estimates of your limitations, outline your daily activities, and provide lots of examples of your problems. Leave arguing your case to your lawyer. 2. Don't try to draw conclusions for the judge. Let the judge draw his or her own conclusions. Do not make comments such as, if I could work, I would be working, or I want to work. If you say either of these, it may cause the judge to think about Stephen Hawking, who is wheelchair-bound and unable to speak, but is the world's leading expert on theoretical physics. Many exceptional people with extreme disabilities work, but that is not the issue in a Social Security disability case. 3. Don't compare yourself to others. Popular lines are, I know a guy who has nothing wrong with him, but he gets disability benefits. Or, I know people less disabled than me who get disability benefits. Neither of these comparisons help your case. 4. Don't try to play on the judge's sympathy. It won't help and it might backfire. Judges have heard it all. Your financial situation, the fact that the bank is going to foreclose on your house, and so forth are not relevant. 5. Don't try to demonstrate what a good person you are. Benefits are not awarded to the virtuous, they are awarded to the disabled. Trying to play on the judge's sympathy will not work and may backfire. 6. Don't tell the judge what an honest person you are. Many claimants think that they need to tell the judge how honest they are. Do not say, I am an honest person. That may backfire. Your honesty will be demonstrated by your truthful testimony on relevant matters. 7. Don't engage in dramatics. You are supposed to tell the truth at your hearing. Putting on a show for the judge is the same as not telling the truth. 8. Don't give irrelevant testimony. The judge cannot and will not consider these facts in deciding your case, so do not waste your time talking about them, such as your inability to get work, hiring practices of employers, technological changes in the industry in which you have worked, cyclical economic conditions, the lack of job openings, and you do not wish to work at a particular job. I hope you found this information useful. If you need help with your Social Security disability claim and you live in the Los Angeles, Ventura, Santa Barbara, Orange, San Bernardino, or Antelope Valley areas, here is my contact information.